Find work from home, even if you're a beginner. Hello, champions, freedom chasers. This is Kay, and I thank you so much for watching this video. I know that it has been a couple of weeks since I came to you with great information on how to find remote and work from home jobs, but I have been super busy. If you don't know by now, my name is Kay. Once again, I've been working from home since May of 2012. And the reason I started this channel is because I want to help each and every person that wants to work from home be able to do so. If you don't want to work from home and you like going into the office and fighting traffic, that's your prerogative. We need a little bit of everybody to make the world go round. But I made this channel specifically for people that are looking to work from home. And a lot of people say, well, how do you do it, Kay? How can I do it too? I want to care for my parents, or I want to care for my children, or I just don't want to fight traffic and I just want to work from home and make a real income. Guys, it is so possible. There's so many positions out there, gigs out there, and ways to make money from home. So if you stick with me to the end, I'm going to teach you how to fish a little bit for those positions, and I want to help you through your journey finding work from home. So let us get started. Before we truly start, I always like to start with a bit of motivation and just tell you that you can have the work life you want. Let me say that one more time. You can have the work life you want. Don't let anybody tell you that it's not possible. It is possible. I'm living proof. The quote for the day is, "Make your life a masterpiece. Imagine no limitations on what you can be, have, or do," by Brian Tracy. This is so fitting because when I first started thinking that I might work from home, I had so many people tell me how crazy I was because I had a beautiful office, a great gig, and but I hated fighting traffic. I hated going into the office. It just wasn't for me, and I knew I wanted something different, and I was willing to take a massive pay cut to make it happen. But guess what? I didn't really have to. At first you do as you're trying to find your way in the work from home journey. Possibly some people do have to take a small cut, some people don't. But ultimately, 6 years later, I'm further ahead than where I would have been had I stayed at my office job. Not only that, but I get to plan my day, plan my schedule, care for my children, pick them up from school, go to lunch with them, and really be able to do the things I need to do during the day, and then also work, my tail off for my clients and the people that I work for. So I would just say there are no limitations on what you can be, what you can have, what you can do. And don't let anybody tell you otherwise, because it's just not true. No limitation, no limits. Okay, so today we are going to look at awesome companies that hire for people to work from home. Pretty much they're hiring all the time. So, and then we're also going to look at a large job aggregator, and I'm going to show you guys how to find work from home positions on that. So let's jump right in and get started. The first company is Salesforce. Salesforce is a company that hires a lot of remote workers. They call it remote here, but it's also can be called virtual, work from home. There's telework. There's so many ways to describe what it actually is. So what you do is you come to salesforce.com. Now, every link that we go over today, every site that we go over today, I will have the description, a link in the show notes that leads you to this page, so you don't have to worry about writing down what I'm saying, because you can just go get it from the description in this video. Okay, so we're going to search for jobs, and you come up to Salesforce. And then when you get there, what you're going to do is, for the locations, if you will start to look, you will see, for instance, California remote. These are all work from home positions. New Jersey remote, US remote, New York remote. So start clicking on these where you want to work. And they do have positions globally, so it's not just here in the United States where I'm located, but they do have positions globally. Just make sure you check and see that it's remote. Washington, D.C., Washington, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, all of these areas, they have remote positions, okay? So you want to make sure you go through and check all the remote roles so you get to see all of the possibilities. But let me just go through and tell you a little bit about what they have. Sales leadership positions, account executive positions, which is kind of like sales. Customer success architect, they've got IT positions, account manager positions, which is kind of like sales, digital transformation specialist. So just look and make sure you read the job description and you know exactly what the qualifications are for the position. Figure out if you want to do permanent or if you want to do full-time, and use the filters to really find that perfect position for you. But here you go, tons of opportunity here, tons of opportunity for remote work. The next company that we'll talk about is called Aperio, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This company, what I did here was went to the careers page, hit the join us link, and then I looked for remote roles. I put in remote, and they have positions, product manager, CRM strategist, they've got technical consultant, senior consultants, coders, architects. They've got some decent roles here as well that are all remote or remote with some travel. So you want to be sure to check that out as well. They're always hiring for remote positions. All right, next we have Sutherland Global. Sorry, I'm moving the page here. And you have to select where you would like to work. So I'm going to select US because that's where I'm located. And then you can start looking through job titles, or you can narrow your search. And I always like to narrow it. So I normally will type remote first, see what I can find. If that doesn't yield anything, then what I do is I go back and I will type work from home, see if that yields anything, which they did have positions up here earlier that were work from home. Let me see. I can't remember. Maybe this one, all the positions are work from home. Let me look really fast. Oh, sorry to take you guys through this. I just did an impromptu video because I haven't been on here in a while, and I want to make sure that I am doing the right thing here. All right. Oh, well, rats. I cannot find it. They did have several. They hire work from home people all the time at this company, and now I'm not seeing it. Unless they just don't have them marked. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me go into Member Services Rep and see what they have to say. Okay. Yep. Okay, Sutherland. Well, not today, maybe. All right, let me close that one out and go to the next one because I've got several. Okay, there's a company called Leidos, and this company is also hiring for remote people. So what I would do is first, like I said, type in remote, see if anything comes up. If it doesn't, then I go back and I do telework. And see if anything comes up that way, or work from home. I don't know why it is giving me a hard time today. I searched all these before I started and they were working, but now they are not. And that's why I'm thinking Leidos, if I'm even pronouncing that correctly. Let me go to locations here and look and see if it was a locations thing that I could type in a location, or if it was a category. Maybe it was a category and I already had it pulled up. Give me 1 second here. Oh my goodness, I'm wasting too much time. But I am going to teach you guys how to fish as well. Go out and find these positions on your own. So then you won't have to worry about me looking for or finding the companies for you. You'll be able to find your own. Okay, I typed in remote, and these are all the positions that came up. At least it actually worked for this one. Okay, so there are all different kind of positions here. I know they definitely hire work from home. Just make sure you read the job description and you tailor your resume and your cover letter so that you are the perfect person for the position if you're qualified. They have everything from customer service reps to systems administrators, IT people. So, all right, now to the big thing, teaching you how to fish. And I'm going to, you go to ZipRecruiter.com. This is one of the major job aggregators. And what I want you to do is, it's going to say job title, blah, blah, blah. I want you to put in quotations, work from home. Leave the city, state, and zip code blank. And this is on ZipRecruiter. And then you hit search all jobs. Once you do that, it will bring up a ton of positions that are work from home. Now, you want to make sure that if you're not willing to work commission only, that you read the job description and you can see if it's commission only. For instance, here's customer service work, and it's $9 to $12 an hour plus commission. So they do have an hourly plus commission, but this one is a contractor role. So you want to make sure that you pay close attention to if it's full-time, if it's contract, what it is. Now, there are times as well when jobs will come up that are not work from home, and it's because in the job description it says this is not a work from home job, and so those will show up as well. So pay close attention as you search. But this is a great way to go and fish for your own opportunities. You don't have to wait for anybody. New jobs come up on ZipRecruiter every single day, no matter what you're looking to do. Are you an admin assistant? Are you looking to be a customer service rep, or in the sales, you're great with sales and you want to do that? There's so many different jobs, guys, and so I just want to encourage you to just get out there and start searching. If you need help, I am always here to help you. You haven't been getting all of my notifications when people join, but I'm trying to check that on a weekly basis. I am extremely busy every single day. I've got my family, several children, clients. I work from home. I've got so much going on, but if you need me, feel free to message me and I will definitely get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so I've already told you that you can have the work life you want, so don't forget that. If you like this video, what I want you to do is hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe. You can comment below and put I subscribe, and I will help you find a position. I will look and see exactly what you're searching for and help you by making a video just for you. Also, hit that bell notification so you never miss an opportunity to see an awesome video about how to find work from home. All right, guys, have an amazing day ahead and know that I thank you for watching and thank you for being so kind. And I look forward to helping you in your remote work journey. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.